Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So guys, I'm buying cameras. Like I bought the Ring camera, the Blink camera. I bought this, and I also bought the Blink Outdoor 4, which is this one. And to be honest, guys, I don't like the performance. So I don't like the performance. So that's why I want to go with this one. So I'm gonna put it in and hook it up and see how different it is from the Ring camera. So let's open the box, see what we get inside. So we get this. We got a quick start guide. We have the camera itself. So guys, online the camera look really big, but in person it's not that big. Like this picture doesn't do it any justice. But it's more in a longer format than the Ring. So that's the camera. So we're gonna hook it up. Let's see what else we get in the box. I guess this is the hardware to hook it up. We got the charger, a USB-C, and the mount, and the mounting screws. So we get the. So these are the content of the box. We get mounting screws, charger. We have spot under here to plug it in if you want. You press this button to sync up the camera, and we have the cable right here. We have the USB cable, USB-C. So let's get started. Let's try to hook it up and see what we get. So guys, these are this come with these template. If you wanna figure out how to mount it to a surface, you can just put this on the surface that you mounting it and drill the holes. You unscrew this right here. You can just take this out and you can see where the holes for the mount is. So you'd mount this to the wall. You would put this part in, because this part gonna force up against this part right here, and that part is what's gonna hold the swivel mount from falling out or moving freely. So you're gonna make sure to put back this little piece once you mount it. Let's go ahead and try to get some charge, some life in the camera. So we're gonna peel this off. You can see the sensors that we have, camera sensors and mic. We'll hit sync. So it's my first time, I don't know, so I'm gonna go ahead and get a quick. So guys, the first thing we're gonna do is download this app right here. We're gonna go to our app store and type in eufy or eufy security. That's what the app called. So you can see we have the app right here. Press get. Alright guys, so let's open the app for the first time, see what happened when we open it for the first time. Allow notification. So just giving you like a tour of the app. So we're gonna hit skip. I don't have a password, so I'm off to set up a password because I don't have an account, so I'm off to set up an account. So I'm gonna hit sign up. All right, guys. So I'm going to I'm going to add this device now. See what it say. So once you go through the setup, you're just gonna bring you here. Ask you to add a device. So we're gonna see the camera. We have battery camera, so we're gonna go ahead and hit that. And we have the so we need to just scroll through, find the camera we bought, and mine is a C10 solo cam. So that is it. We're gonna hit next. They give you two options to connect it to a router, or you're gonna connect it to your the home base, which it doesn't have a home base. So we're gonna go do it. So we're gonna connect it to the Wi-Fi. Put in the Wi-Fi password. So guys, you just wanna press and hold this. Follow what it say, and you're gonna hear it beep. Then you wanna go ahead and hit next. It's gonna scan a code, a QR code on the phone. So it's gonna show.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi network. Please wait. Setup was successful.
So we get it to connect to the Wi-Fi network, so that's good. We're gonna go ahead and mount the device now to make sure that part is good. Alright guys, so I get this to mount right here. I'm gonna go ahead and install this right here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and install this right here. Remember, we can move this. So we're gonna go ahead and install the camera now. So I'm just gonna tighten this down. I don't know which way the camera is set. I guess that's it. And now we're gonna go see the app. Also, I'm gonna leave it plugged in. I'm not gonna unplug it. I'm gonna leave it plugged in, so that's good. So once you do it, we're gonna set it up. I'm putting it inside the garage, so I put garage right there. Hit next. So the next step, what we're gonna do is change the source to external. I'm gonna confirm it. And then the Wi-Fi problem again. So we're gonna change the source, move the camera. So once you do that, that's what's gonna happen. We're gonna press OK, or we're gonna press got it. We're gonna change this for this right here, because it's not, we don't want optimal battery life, because it's gonna be plugged in. So I changed it to solar panel, but that's the only option it gave me, battery or solar panel. So I'm gonna leave it plugged in, so I'm gonna change it to solar panel. I'm gonna go ahead and press so we're gonna do this. So you can choose which other option you want. I'm gonna choose that one. So we choosing this one. That's that. So it's just bringing you through the rest of the setup. So yeah, that's how it must set. It must not lean, it must be flat. So there you can see the camera. So there's an update for it, so I'm gonna do the update. So far everything looking good, moving fast, I must say. It's faster than the blink camera that I had previous. Alright guys, so you can see there's a lot of stuff you can do. You can play around in the app. You can press this three line right here and you can go through your settings and you can set up your motion detector if you want. Right there, and hit that. Put mine at 6, human only. But in the night, all motion will get detected in the night, so that's good. But in the day, it'll be human only. For you can do tips, you can do activity zone. So you can set up the area you want to get detected. So that's what I set it up as, because the main reason is because I have a motorcycle. I put that right there. That's about that. Let's see what it is there in the settings. I don't have a home base. If I like the app, if I like the camera, which I seems to like it more than the blink. This is what I had the blink for. I'm gonna send it back. I just buy it. I didn't like it, so we can go to video settings, see what we have. We have watermark. We can turn off their watermark. Do you want to hide okay, no free advertisement. So we have auto. We're gonna leave that on auto. Recording quality is 2K. Night vision, privacy zone, audio settings. That's what you want. What else we have? Notification. So actually, I like when this sent you a notification that you have movements, because it also send you a picture, which is the blink don't do unless you on subscription, I guess. I don't know. You can share the device. So that's good. You can restart device, remove the device. So that's it for the settings. The quality of the camera is really good. You have different features. You can hear the alarm. So that's good. I like the app. The app is easy to use. The blink app was easy to use too, I'm not gonna lie. But I like this app right here. It's easy. So that's it, guys.
Daddy. Go. One.